Okay, midday update day 4 or something like that. I already lost count. So we are in the garden, but we have bees. Okay, trick the birds into thinking that they found some juicy fruit, so that they get trained to think that anything red and shiny is hard and not edible. Put a couple here, a couple over there. Then we'll do the same for the tomatoes. See, I swear I planted a tomato plant somewhere around here. I've seen people do this by painting rocks red or getting plastic fruit, but I'm just using whatever I had in hand. Let's do some here because I also do have peppers coming in this one. There it is. Not only does it make it prettier, but hopefully it works. Oh, and look, these have opened up. They're so beautiful.